What are we doing today?
We're going fishing at Cliff Lake.
We're going?
And we're catching crawdads and fishing.
Oh boy. So that's what we're doing. We're up early. Sun's not even up yet. Sheila's got lunches all packed. John's packing fishing poles. And I'm just the guest. I don't do anything.
You do.
Right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's Samuel. Are you ready to catch fish?
Yep.
Alright.
Video Herschel.
Alright. Hitting the road, guys.
Video Herschel.
Herschel? Gotta show. Where's Herschel?
Right here.
He's being a naughty cat.
Oh. Yeah. Herschel's a bad kitty. You're not supposed to be on the counter. Did you teach him that? No.
Mom wants him.
There he goes. Herschel's out of here. Alright. Guys, get your poles ready. Get your Pringles, huh? What do you got there?
Licorice.
Licorice. Dessert. Breakfast of champions, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, get your stuff, guys. Packed a lot of stuff here. You guys ready to fish?
This is why I got rolled over by a log.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Alright guys, get your poles together. The water is so clear here.
Oh, crawdads. Yes, I forgot about the crawdads.
Crawdads, huh? Do you see any? I don't see any right offhand. Alright, we're gonna get the poles set up. Stash update. So far, no fish. But Samuel caught that little guy. Oh, look at that. Hey, don't touch the camera with him. They got water on the camera, goofball.
We've got fish. We've got 3 fish and 2 crawdads.
Oh,
And this is the second crawdad.
where are the 2 fish at?
They're too little.
Yeah, too little.
I caught one with my bare hands.
Yeah, I see.
There he is. Oh, there he is.
Woo!
You lose him? Nope.
No.
Wow, yay! We didn't get stung.
Got a fish.
We already caught fish. That's a
Ah, that's a good one.
That's our 4th fish. Nice little rainbow.
Yeah. Well, alright, I caught a fish. Nice fish, Ryder.
Down a little bit. Your fingers are all over him.
You got it. There.
There. Now you got to kiss him.
Good day of fishing, Samuel?
Yep.
Good day. Look at the lake. Nice clear blue. It's a pretty cool lake. We are up here at Cliff Lake out of Ennis, Montana. So it's a couple hours drive from Bozeman. So we gotta book it, get back home, and gotta go get Flash Dog. Got the pack train going. You're at the end of the pack train, Sheila.
I am. I'm the caboose.
Yeah. Oh, looks like Ryder gave up his tackle box already. I guess you don't get a fish.
Hey, Dad,
Oh yeah? See, you know, cost you $1 to have him pack that for you.
No,
Pack your gear.
no.
Yeah, it's like an outfitter. You gotta pay him a fee. No?
Right.
Alright guys,
Gratuity accepted.
we're gonna book it. Fish are in the water, fish are on ice. Alright guys, that's it. We're gonna pick up Flash. I'll probably video that stuff. 'Cause Flash will be excited. As excited as Samuel is right now. Alright guys, we literally made it back just in time, so I am headed to pick up Flash and get myself on how they trained him, so I can learn some stuff. So hopefully I'll be able to refer back what he all learned to Chelsea. Alright guys, look who I got back. Hey buddy. Hi, yes. Heard you're a good boy. Did you miss us? Yeah, you get ready to go? Alright, we got him. He did good. He's a well-behaved dog. We'll see how long it sticks with him. But that is awesome. Know Thy Dog in Bozeman, Montana. Awesome trainers. Good group of people. Really nice. Awesome place. So if you guys live near Bozeman, need your dog trained, bring them here. Know Thy Dog. Alright guys, we're out.